Hey guys, what's going on? This is Corinne and I have another plant unboxing from the Sill. So if you're a plant parent, a plant enthusiast, you love plants, and you want to know what I got in my plant subscription box, keep watching. So for everyone who's joining, let me give you a little background about me. I am Corinne. I am a boudoir photographer based out of Dallas, and my account is mainly boudoir. So I get a lot of people following me because they want to look at plants, which is cool, but also know you are probably going to see a lot of boudoir related videos. So you're going to get a mix of that too. I'm going to try to start posting more plant videos, maybe twice a month. So be looking out for that, and I'm going to start becoming a little bit more active on this channel. As you can see, you'll see a lot of boudoir stuff. But today, I'm going to show you guys what I got in my plant subscription box from the Sill. Now, the Sill is a plant boutique that is based out of New York, and so just recently, this past summer, they started doing a plant subscription box. And if you're into subscription boxes and you love plants, this is for you. So I don't know what's in here. I do know it is from Asia because they have this decal here. So I'm excited to see what it is. And it's a little heavier, so I know there's a planter with it. And I'm excited to see what's in it. So let's unbox this baby. Yep, it's a ZZ plant, you guys. Model that they have, you can pick your pot color, and it comes in a beautiful 5-inch diameter pot, and each month you can pick from 3 different subscriptions. You can pick what color you want, and each silhouette changes each month. So I picked the low light plant only because I live in an apartment and I don't get a lot of good light in here. The only good light I get is in my living room, and that's only for a small amount of the day. So when I do a home tour, the only place you really see the plants are outside on my huge balcony or inside the living room where they all sit on the ottoman. And I really like it that way because I think they get a good amount of humidity amongst all the plants, so they do super well. So I am super happy about this. I will be doing a plant haul in my next video because I have some amazing plants that I purchased, and I cannot wait for you guys to see them. So just to tell you a little bit about the ZZ plant, they're one of the easiest plants to take care of. They are, I think they come from Kenya, and maybe, Kenya for sure, and Eastern Africa, of course. I do not know how to say the Latin name of it, but I will put it right here. I'm not even going to try. And you only water these plants every 2 weeks, and they can stand some low light. Now, it's not complete dark, so don't think you can put it in a closet and just be done with it. It needs a little bit of light. But light sun, low light, double sun. So great. I cannot wait to see how this thing goes. The thing about the ZZ plant, it's a super slow grower, okay? So, you know, be prepared for that. But I have my Monstera deliciosa to take care of my needs when I need to see a plant grow. That's it. this was my unboxing for the month of November with my ZZ plant. Join me next month and join me in my next video when I do a haul. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. And also make sure that you follow me on Instagram. I have an Instagram now dedicated to my plants. It is Urban Jungle Home. So make sure you follow me there, give me a shout, give me some tips on how to take care of plants, and we can do the same thing. Alright guys, peace out. Bye.